ऑल राइट गाइज, आज है संडे और आज हमारा ये नेक्स्ट बैच चल रहा है एडवांस डाउ का। तो आज हमारे साथ भुवन जी हैं और दीप जी हैं। तो ये चल रहा है उनके साथ क्लास। तो कैसा लगा आज आपको फर्स्ट क्लास?
Excellent, excellent, Piyush, and thanks for introducing you to this very old Dow theory. And surprising to see that old still remains gold.
Yeah.
And this year-old, so old strategies can be implemented so beautifully and with a very simple process in this current volatile market. And not only that, I mean, trend, okay, and volatility, which is which everybody is afraid of, okay, can be your best friend here. And we can, I mean, my target was 15% YOY, okay, earning. With this simple strategy, I think I can achieve at least 30 to 40%, or could, I mean, more than that also. Okay, so thank you. I mean, looking forward to this journey.
Great, thank you.